This is just for you to see. Go to this link, stan.store/Arlan. And when you get to the checkout, type in the word Flash, FLASH. You'll get a massive discount. And I am adding this incredible video to my YouTube course. So this Flash code will work on all of my courses, but you want to check this out because people paid $1,500 each to be in the room last Friday, and we filmed some of it, and I'm releasing that section to the YouTube course for you to be able to learn from it. I reveal this.
Remember it. So it's growth, video.
What is the R, what is the O, and what does the W stand for? You'll learn that and more if you go and you check out what we have. I also have a brand new AI course that is coming out, Make Money with AI. I'm going to teach you so much in that. And I have a guest that's going to join us. You'll see this is a pre-order. August 1st is when you'll start to see the first lessons come out. We've been working on it for a couple of weeks now, and we'll continue to add to it. But it's a pre-sale right now. If you go and you order it, you can use the flash code. You can get it for such a huge discount. And then August, you go in now, you'll see a video from me. But then on August 1st, you'll get all of the lessons that we have for August 1st, and then we'll continue to roll them out. And that's going to help you just cut out the noise because there's a lot of training about AI. There's a lot of training about AI. This is the training that I use to help make about $3,000 per day. $3,000 per day. Type that in the comments if you hear me. If you see this, if you got in on this deal, you're welcome. If you didn't get it in on the deal, sorry. Probably aren't seeing this if you didn't, though. It's just for us, a few hundred of my friends on a Tuesday afternoon. Go for it. Go do it. Go do it if you've been on the fence. Hey, also, if you already bought a course and you're like, well, I already bought a course, use this for other courses because you know my courses are fire. So use this for other courses and you got in where you fit in. Okay, I'll see you soon. Can't wait to see what you build. Let's get you paid.